There is some talk this morning that wondering, a little bit of a conspiracy kind of theory here, that central banks in Shanghai a couple of weeks ago in the G20 meeting have come together with a secret deal to drive up markets using the dollar, U.S. dollar, strengthening the U.S. dollar to allow that happening. The theory being that if they do that, it would drive up commodity prices. So the question is, if that is true, if there was some secret behind closed door meeting of central bankers to do that, that would be the reason why oil prices are up. Somewhat irrational to inventories. That would be one reason, and it's another reason why we would see some commodity prices going up, and it would be another reason why we would start to see an entry into emerging markets that desperately need some money flowing in to emerging market stocks. So if that was some secret meeting, if that is true, we don't know that. That is the report. That's what some are saying. There's no real confirmation of that, and there never will be, obviously. But if that is the case, it is one of the few things central bankers have done that has worked. So conspiracy kind of plan or not, it is working. And that's maybe the only thing they've done that has worked. So it is not meaning, though, that the underlying fundamentals of the economy are getting better. It just means that they have been successful in forming a new false positive in the markets, and particularly the commodity markets that desperately need some inflation and desperately need a shot in the arm. And of course, if commodity prices globally start to rise, that's going to be good for some economies. And hopefully the thought is, like creating a wealth effect, it creates a false positive, but you're hoping that the false positive turns into reality. And this is the same kind of thing. They're hoping by driving up the strength of the dollar, they're creating they can create a reality that the underlying fundamentals of this economy are really better than everybody thinks. That remains to be seen.